Yo, what's going on, folks? This is Antoine with Core Cutter Lifestyle and Tech. Back at you with another weekly wrap-up video. Today is Friday, October the 5th, 2018. Got a few things going on this week, or a few things that happened this week. Couple news came out. So, to start off, we're going to talk about Google's Pixel event. Google does this yearly event where they showcase their upcoming electronics and hardware. So Tuesday, October 9th, 2018 is when the event is going to air, and you can watch the event live on Google's YouTube page. So be sure to check that out. I believe they're going to be revealing some products that already been leaked. I know the Chrome photos of the new Chromecast 3 was leaked, the Pixel 3, the Pixel 3 XL, and Google's new Smart TV kit, photos of that was leaked. So if you guys want to catch that event, check back with them October 9th, as you can see right there. I'm going to put a link to their YouTube page in the description below. Next thing we're going to talk about is YouTube TV, another Google company. YouTube TV has added the NBA League Pass for an additional $40 a month, or $249 for the remainder of the year up into 2019. You could get the NBA League Pass from YouTube TV. YouTube TV currently, their packages already start at $40, so an extra $40 a month, that'll bring your total cable bill up to $80 plus tax, and then you get your internet. So that's gonna bring you up in the mid 100s, close to 200 for TV and internet, just off of those two services. So folks, keep in mind that you want to be aware of what services you add. So that's that. And also Fubo TV has added the NBA League Pass. And back to YouTube TV. Earlier this year they added the Major League Baseball TV. So as you can see, the direction that these streaming services are going is headed right in line with what pay TV is already doing. The prices are increasing on the streaming services. Soon the internet services are going to their prices are going to go up. You could count on that happening. They're coming out with faster internet, every month to keep up with the cord cutter community. So expect a big price hike in your streaming services and your internet services. So that's that. Fubo TV and YouTube TV are adding the NBA League Pass. And another thing I wanted to touch on is the Yahoo Sports. If you guys aren't familiar with it, you can watch live football games for free. You can either download the Yahoo Sports app, or you can go to NFL.stream.tv, I believe, or NFL.stream, and you see an NFL game, you just click on it, and then you can watch it for free. I'm not sure if every NFL game is available to stream for free, but most of them are. But then again, on Sundays, most of them already show on your local TV stations. I have been able to watch some games like on Thursdays because I don't have ESPN or anything like that. I don't have cable, so it's pretty handy information right there. Pretty helpful information right there. Yahoo Sports app, or go to yahoosports.com, and you can stream your NFL games. So another thing I want to talk about, just step to the side for a second, Hulu TV. If you guys are not familiar with Hulu, I've heard about this company for a long time. Checked them out today. I didn't sign up. Apparently you can rent movies and TV shows from this from Hulu. Some you can actually watch for free. Some TV shows you can actually download and watch for free. So Hulu TV, you guys check that out if you haven't already. And lastly but not least, Amazon Now, there's some big news. I'll be talking about this in other videos and other blog posts, but Amazon is reportedly supposed to be coming out with a free streaming service similar to Tuba TV and Crackle. So that's something to look out for. It's said to have ad content. You know, since it's going to be a free service, they're probably going to be running ads, but they might have a ad-free version for Prime members, which makes sense. You know, with Amazon, they want people to sign up for that Prime membership, which isn't a bad deal. So you can see, you know, I'm at Yahoo Finance homepage. Amazon stock has declined, and that's because it's been reported that employees shared customers' email addresses. So that's a big no-no in a big company like Amazon. That's a definitely big no-no. So we're gonna see how that work out. You know, a lot of these big companies, Facebook, you know, it's just our information is getting leaked. I get a couple of alerts last week about my information, my email being on the dark web. So is that something we could be complacent about nowadays? With all these companies, everybody want your email address. Could we expect that? Is this a big deal? You know, to me, you know, it hasn't been really a big deal. You know, but you know, who knows? You know, I don't know what other information they have. I don't know what they can do with it. But you know, it's happening, and I expect it's going to happen a lot. You got a lot of people out here like that's their job. You know, to steal your information and try to get your money. It's all about selling information nowadays. You know, they want to know what the trend is just to get your information or just to try to sell you something, pinpoint the potential customer. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for today. Hope to see you guys next week. Monday, I will be doing a video on what's to come for the upcoming week. Where I show videos of shows to watch, new shows that come on streaming apps, and things like that. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is it. I will talk to you guys next time.